many of you that bought your first HP system, this is actually also your first laser. So remember, we have basically 4 lines. We have the LS line, which is our laser system. It does everything a normal laser does. We'll cut acrylic, cut paper, wood, plastics. We'll mark metals, but not cut them. We'll mark glass and stone, but not cut them. Obviously, we make these all the way from on the HP side from 2436 to the 5598 that you see here. When you get your system, you're going to want to become familiar with the manuals, maybe watch these videos a few times before you even take it out of the crate. Remember, we got a full staff here on the West Coast, 5 people up and down the West Coast presently. And then we have a large contingent at the factory at our tech centers in Orlando, Florida for both CO2 and fiber. Now, you're going to need to collect some items. I'm going to need you to have 2 grounded extension cords, 2 isobar surge protectors that are at least handle 20 amps. If you're buying a 5598, you're going to need to buy 4 of these. Lens cleaner wipes, lithium grease, chem wipes. I need 3 12x12 birch, alder, poplar wood, basically pieces to practice on. And then any other samples that you choose that you need to do. Maybe you want to do leather, so I want that there. Make sure you give me a PC that has at least 12 gig of RAM. We used to say 8, but now it's 12 to 24 because Windows 10 is quite a hog for RAM. You're going to need 4 gallons of distilled water, and then you're going to need 4 to 6 hours on the training day of free time. I usually come in the day before, set the machine up and train. For those of you that are far away, I travel on the first day, I'll train, and then I'll come back the second day and follow up in the morning and then leave. You will get, excuse me, a 1 to 2 hour follow-up with me PC to PC, and of course, phone time is free for life. Make sure that you have that exhaust hooked up and that you figure out your exhaust. For many of you, it will be unique, especially if you have the 5598s. All right, thank you.